Morning, everyone. Thank you very much for taking the time of your busy schedule to join us. Now we are going to talk about some of our products that have a big impact in our society today. Okay? Bakit siya big impact? Because our environment is changing, the way we live is changing, the way we interact with each other is changing. So, nagiging mas fast-paced ang buhay natin. So, pagka ganon, kailangan nag-a-adapt tayo. Okay? But before I go there, let me just share my screen with you. Now, before I talk about the products, I would just like to let you know about our disclaimer. Okay? Now, New Image makes no claims that its products can treat, cure, or prevent disease. Hindi po tayo gamot. Okay? Hindi po tayo nangangako na makaka-cure tayo or matatanggal ang ating mga diseases. Any person with a medical condition should consult with a doctor before taking a product. Okay? So kung meron kang something medical condition, hindi namin sinasabing bawal kang mag-take ng products. Pinopromote natin mag-take ng products because it will be for your own benefit. But of course, we would like you to always tell your medical doctor about what you're taking. Okay? Para nakikita niya kung ano yung tinitake mo, ano mangyayari sa'yo, na-monitor niya kung mag improve ka, at siya rin mako-convince na the products work, di ba? So mas maganda siyang positive reinforcement. The company's focus is on supporting people's lives and people live a healthier life. So ang main objective ng New Image is for you to have a healthier and happier life. Okay? Naniniwala ba tayo na pag ikaw ay kumakain ng tama, if you feed your body with the right nutrients, the right kind of foods, the right supplements, the right environment, that your body will become healthier? Thumbs up? Yes. So, ibig sabihin, talagang pagka tayo nagiging conscious sa kinakain natin, na conscious sa ginagawa natin, nagiging mas healthy tayo. So, okay? So, that's our disclaimer. Now, let me introduce to you all our founder. Our founder is Graham Clegg. He was a farmer who turned into an entrepreneur. Ang maganda rito is, as a farmer, he knows the importance of good food and natural food, organic food. Okay? And being an entrepreneur, kinombine niya yung knowledge niya on good food, good nutrition, and ginawa niya itong business so that everyone in the world can benefit from the knowledge that he has. Okay? So that's the beauty of the combination of the farmer and the entrepreneur in him. In 1984, he founded New Image. New Image is located and manufactured in New Zealand. Okay? Now, sorry. Okay? Graham Clegg is also a recipient of many business awards for research, production, and marketing. Okay. Now, he is also, New Image is globally #1 in colostrum brand and a major international export company. Now, #1 daw ang New Image globally in terms of colostrum. Why is that? Because other companies might have products, 1, 2, or 3 products that have colostrum in them. So, okay lang yon. But in New Image, almost all of our products, mabibilang mo lang sa iyong isang kamay ang mga products natin na walang colostrum. Most of our products, even the skincare, has colostrum. So, in terms of identity, New Image is colostrum. So when you say colostrum, dapat ang pumapasok sa isip mo, colostrum, New Image yan. Okay? So pag meron ka na-encounter, New Image, and lagi dapat may isip mo, colostrum yan. Because yun ang unique sa New Image. We are a company that invests on colostrum, that promotes colostrum because we believe that colostrum is the ultimate protection for our bodies. Okay, next. Okay. Our products are manufactured in New Zealand, state-of-the-art patented colostrum formulation technology. It's a first world country. What else ano pa ang hahanapin mo? Our facilities are top of the line, first world country, quality measures, quality control, top of the line. In other words, all of the products that New Image provides you is of good, great quality, top of the line quality. So in terms of efficacy and in terms of safety, pasok na pasok ang New Image products. Okay. And we have GMP standard processing plant. Ano ibig sabihin nun? GMP is good manufacturing practices. In every country, all manufacturers go through a stringent quality check by the government. And if that company passes the quality audit of the government, they are given a GMP certificate. Ibig sabihin, maganda yung facility nila. They comply with all the regulations of that country. In New Zealand, our company, our plant there, our manufacturing facility was given the GMP standard processing plant certificate, a first world country giving our manufacturing plant a GMP certificate. Diba? So that speaks highly of how stringent our quality measures are. All right, next. Hmm. Naghang ako. Ayun. These are our the minds behind our products. So meron tayong team of experts. Sila yung mga nag-iisip, they rack their brains out, they research so that so that the products that they will give us are important, are needed, and are up to date. Kailangan uso, kailangan swak sa panahon, kailangan um, sumusunod sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa panahon. Dapat ganon ang products. So here are our experts who thinks and formulates our products to give us what we need. Okay. And we have globally certified formulations. Ibig sabihin, in all of the markets, in all of the countries where we market our products, um, all of um, all of our products are registered in each of those countries. Ibig sabihin yan, we take good care of our image, we take good care of the quality of our products, and we want to assure everyone na yung tinitake mong products are safe and efficient. Okay. Now, we have plenty of products to choose from. We have something for everyone. But in this Zoom meeting tonight, we will focus on our colostrum products. Are you ready? Ini-imagine ko na lang na sumisigaw kayo, "Yes!" So, are you ready? Yes! Okay. Optimizing your health. Okay. Your immune system is designed to defend you against millions of bacteria, microbes, viruses, parasites from invading your body. Now, ang problema, ito yung first line of defense mo. Ibig sabihin nito, pag merong darating sa'yo na microbes, may darating sa'yo na na bacteria, virus, parasite, yung immune system mo ang magde-defend sa'yo. It will protect your body, okay, against damage from these microbes. Now, the problem is there are things that can weaken your immune system. Now, one is deficiency of vitamins A, C, E, B, or the minerals zinc and selenium. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang katawan mo hindi mo pinapakain ng tama, deficient ka of the nutrients, then your immune system weakens. You're allowing the microbes, the viruses, the bacteria, and the germs to come in. Kasi weak ang defense system mo. Imagine mo ang immune system mo, ang defense system mo as the soldiers of your body defending you against invaders. Okay. Next, lack of quality sleep. Pag ikay laging puyat, no matter how you feed your body with the right nutrients, the right food, sabihin mo, I'm eating healthy, I'm giving my body supplements. Why am I getting sick? Because you're always puyat. Okay? Your body needs to recover. Sleep is a good way to recover. So lack of quality sleep can weaken your immune system. Stress causes the release of cortisol, which suppresses the immune system. Sino sa inyo ang stressed? Okay? Sasagutin ko yan. Lahat tayo stress. Impossible na hindi ka stress. It can be good stress, it can be bad stress. Okay? Maraming pinanggagalingan ang stress. Kahit student ka, teacher ka, mother ka, father, anak, asawa, boyfriend, girlfriend, bata, matanda, lahat yan may stress sa buhay. Impossible na wala. When you are stressed, your cells die, including the cells of your immune system. When that happens, your immune system weakens. Okay? And last, overdoing everything. Too much exercise, too much work or play weakens your immune system. So essentially, every day, nagwi-weaken ang immune system natin because every day you are exposed to a lot of stressors. So every day, may chance na pumasok sa'yo ang microbes, viruses, and bacteria because humihina ang defense mechanism mo, humihina ang immune system mo. Now, what do you need to do so that these microbes, parasites, and viruses and microbes will not enter your body? You need to make your immune system strong. How do you do that? You should take colostrum every day. Okay. Why you should take colostrum every day? It is the best natural source of antibodies to destroy or neutralize the germs that cause illness. So, example, nag-weaken ang immune system mo, nasa-stress ka ngayong araw na to, weak ang immune system mo. Okay, paglabas mo, ayan na ang microbes, bacteria, parasites, i-invade na sa body mo. But if you have colostrum, take colostrum, then you have antibodies, natural antibodies that will fight the viruses, microbes from entering your body. That's why it's important to take colostrum every day. Okay. Next, it contains the best natural source of growth factors to heal and protect your gut wall. So hindi lang siya nagpapalakas ng immune system mo. It also gives you the healing, okay? Yung mga nasisira mong cells, hinihil niya. That's the job of the colostrum. Growth factors din siya, meaning to say, yung mga namamatay mong cells, nagre-replenish ng bagong cells. Okay? Growth factor siya. Alright, next. It works also with other products to boost your immune system to give you better health. Next. Now, alam na natin na kailangan mo mag-take ng colostrum because every day kailangan mo mag-defend against all the invaders outside. And every day alam natin na nagwi-weaken ang immune system natin kung wala tayong colostrum. So, who should take colostrum? Of course, everyone. Why? Everyone is stressed. Kahit ang baby nasa stress, kahit ang bata nasa stress. Nasa stress sa school, nasa stress sa laro, ang baby, pag masakit ang tiyan, nasa stress. So, ang mga senior citizens natin nasa stress, lalo na kapag kami masakit sa katawan nila, nasa stress. So, everyone encounters stress. So, everyone should take colostrum to improve and strengthen your immune system, antiviral, antibacterial properties, assists with recovery from short-term illness, improves skin texture, lines, and appearance of aging, increases energy and mental alertness, supports healthy aging from children to grandparents. Why does it support healthy aging? Kasi nga, pinoproteksyonan niya ang immune system mo. Pinoproteksyonan niya ang body mo by making your immune system strong. So, pag well-protected ang body mo, ibig sabihin, walang masyadong namamatay, walang nasisirang cells, organs, tissues, system. It stays healthy and it will keep on becoming healthy, healthier and healthier each day basta't hindi ka sinisira ng mga microbes. Gets nyo? That's why it supports healthy aging. Kasi kung hindi nasisira because protected ang body mo, ibig sabihin, you maintain your youthfulness. Diba? And when you maintain your youthfulness, hindi lang physical appearance, pati sa loob ng body mo. Maintain your youthful heart, youthful kidney, youthful liver, youthful hair, youthful eyes. So lahat yan. Lahat yan. Okay? Colostrum is wonderful. Now, alam na natin na kailangan mo mag-take ng colostrum. Alam mo na lahat kailangan mag-take ng colostrum. So, bakit new image colostrum ang dapat mong i-take? Why should you choose new image colostrum? Because number one, every batch of new image colostrum is tested to ensure purity and compliance with industry and food safety guidelines. Remember, our manufacturing facility is in a third world, is in a first world country. That means every batch na pinoproduce natin of top quality type. Next, ito ang unique sa ating colostrum. Okay? It has every grain, every bit of powder, every capsule, every tablet of our product line have this patented bioactive delivery system called alpha lipid. Taga-deliver 'to ng alpha taga-deliver 'to ng colostrum. Si alpha lipid ang courier ng colostrum sa different parts of our body. Bakit kailangan ng bioactive delivery system? 'Pag kinain mo naman yan, papasok naman sa body mo. Bakit kailangan may delivery system papunta sa small intestines where the absorption into the bloodstream happens, where it is circulated throughout the body? Bakit kailangan may delivery system? Because when colostrum enters your gut, and goes to the harsh environment of the stomach, yung stomach acid, most colostrums die. Okay? Now, sayang ang colostrum. Pero with our alpha lipid bioactive delivery system, it protects every grain, coated ang every grain of our powder, of our capsule, of our tablet, so that when it enters the gut, it goes to the harsh environment of the stomach. They are protected. They do not die. They are not destroyed until they go to the small intestines. It bursts open, breaks loose, releases the colostrum, and is absorbed in our bloodstream to be circulated throughout the body for total protection. See how unique alpha lipid bioactive delivery system is, and it's in our products. Next. Now, let's talk about the products now. Number one is our Alpha Lipid Lifeline. Okay, it's our flagship product. Let's talk about it. It supports your immunity with 1,600 milligram of colostrum containing 300 milligram of natural warriors. So meron siyang colostrum, meron siyang warriors. It defends you, it protects you, it makes your immune system strong against invaders. It improves your gut health and digestive comfort with 1 billion probiotics per dose. So while hindi lang siya colostrum, meron siyang colostrum to defend your body. Okay? Meron din siyang probiotics. These are good bacteria that fight off the bad bacteria. Bakit ka may bad bacteria? Lahat tayo may bad bacteria. Imposibleng wala tayong bad bacteria. When you inhale air, you inhale bad bacteria. When you eat, you swallow bad bacteria. When you go outside, you get bad bacteria. So it's there in your body. So taking probiotics will ensure na itong bad bacteria na ito will not do any harm to your body. Okay? So sila yung magpupuli sa mga bad bacteria, dyan lang kayo, huwag kayong gagalaw ng masama. Okay? So we have that 1 billion probiotic per dose of our Alpha Lipid Lifeline. And our Alpha Lipid Lifeline also is packed full of vitamins and minerals. And it has 1,000 milligram of calcium for healthy teeth and bones. And it assists your body's natural repair process. Now, in the morning when you wake up, this is the first thing that you take. Okay? Because it's complete. Why? When you take Alpha Lipid Lifeline, you get colostrum. You are protected. So kahit lumabas ka, ma-stress ka, whatever, you are protected. You have probiotics to ensure that whatever bad bacteria you take, you get in the environment, in the food, in the air, meron kang probiotics to keep them at bay. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals that are food for your cells, for your system, for your vitals, and for your organs. Food nila yan. Kailangan pakainin ng body para may energy, para magawa ang kailangan natin gawin every day. And has 1,000 milligram of calcium for strong bones and teeth. Kailangan strong ang bones. Pag marami tayong ginagawa, kailangan matatag ang ating bones. Okay? Now, this is a complete package. So when you take it in the morning, sigurado ka na meron ka ng protection, meron kang probiotics, meron kang pagkain para sa cells mo, para sa body mo. Protected pa ang bones and teeth mo. So in the morning, take Alpha Lipid Lifeline. We also have colostrum in the form of capsules. Okay, it strengthens your immunity with 910 milligram of colostrum containing 182 milligram of immunoglobulins. It assists your body's natural repair process. All the benefits of colostrum in the convenience of a capsule. Easy to swallow, on the go, anytime. Now, di ba may colostrum tayo dito? Okay. Pero ito, kompleto. May colostrum, may probiotics, may vitamins and minerals, may calcium. Complete. Ito, colostrum lang. Okay. Bakit kailangan mo ng colostrum? For people who are on the go, nauubos po ang colostrum na binibigay sa atin ni Alpha Lipid Lifeline because ginagamit ng body mo. The more activities you do, the more stressed you are, the more people you talk to, na mas na mabilis nauubos ang colostrum mo. Pag naubos ang colostrum mo, remember what will happen? Your immune system becomes weak and you become prone to attacks from invaders, microbes, bacteria, viruses, parasites. Okay? So, pag nauubos siya during the middle of the day or in the afternoon or midday, take colostrum capsules so that continuous ang colostrum protection mo. Remember, pag naubos ang colostrum, magiging weak ang immune system, magkakasakit tayo. But with the reinforcement of the colostrum capsules, take it the middle of the day or in the middle of in the afternoon para may continuous supply ka of colostrum running in your body for protection. We also have alpha lipid colostrum tablets. Kanina ito capsules, now it's tablets. It's the same. It strengthens your immunity with 1,100 milligram of colostrum containing 200 milligram of immunoglobulins or your natural warriors, yung lumalaban. Assist your body's natural repair process. Handy for those on the go. Delicious vanilla flavored chewable tablet. Great for children over 2 years old. Now, kanina meron tayong pinag-usapang capsules. Easy to swallow, on the go. Bakit meron tayong tablets? Because, of course, there are people, especially children, who are not yet good at swallowing pills. Okay? So, if ayaw naman natin na hindi sila makakain ng colostrum just because hindi nila maswallow yung pill. So, we have this colostrum chewable tablets. Masarap po siya. The children, they don't need water. Just give them the chewable tablets. Chew them. Masarap po siya. Actually, mas favorite ko nga siya eh. Okay. So it's for those people who really cannot take the capsule, who are having difficulty swallowing the capsule, then the tablets are for them. Okay. Next. See, sabi ko sa inyo pati skincare meron tayong colostrum in our BioRejuve Cleansing Body Bar. Deep Purifying and Beauty Treatment Bar containing alpha lipid colostrum and manuka honey to remove toxins and nourish your skin. pH balance, alkaline soap, detergent free. This luxurious treatment is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, perfect for men and women. It's the first step in your skincare, the BioRejuve Purifying Beauty Treatment Bar. It has alpha lipid colostrum for protection of your face and neck. Okay? Protection against bacteria, viruses, pimples. Pimples emerge because you are being attacked by bacteria. Okay? So if you have BioRejuve to wash your face, then you have colostrum, you're putting colostrum on your face and neck, then you have protection also in your face and neck. Kung gusto nyong gawin sa buong katawan, why not? You have protection all over. Your skin is protected if you use BioRejuve all over your body. Alright? But of course, especially sa face and neck because ito ang exposed. Because ang body mo naman, ika'y nagdadamit, 'pag lumalabas, so hindi masyadong prone to attack, pero the face and the neck, but if you want the whole body, it's fine, better, okay? So that's the beauty of having colostrum in a skincare product, in a beauty bar, alright? I think this is my last slide. Oh yes, that's my last slide. So today we talked about the beauty of colostrum, why you should take colostrum, why New Image Colostrum, and you've seen all of the products we have which contains colostrum. Pili ka ng gusto mo, or if you have friends that have a specific product that they like, halimbawa gusto nila capsule instead of tablet, gusto nila tablet instead of capsule, pero the Alpha Lipid Lifeline should be taken every day by everyone because kompleto po siya para bago ka umalis ng bahay, protected ka na, may pagkain na yung cells mo, meron ka pang good bacteria.